Before we knew it, Redmi has been with us for over 12 years. We've had the privilege of witnessing and using many Redmi mobile phones, and the quality of our little King Kong phones has remained consistent. Today, we're bringing you the newly released Redmi Note 17 Pro. It's here. It's worth noting that the Note series has sold over 500 million units in the past 12 years, demonstrating its immense popularity. This new model takes durability to new heights. As usual, let's start with an unboxing. Let's talk about the quality of the Redmi Note 17 Pro. It uses a robust design with Corning Gorilla Glass 2, GGV2, 4-drop protection up to 3 meters, achieving SGS CQC high-strength protection and a 5-star rating. Its waterproof capabilities are phenomenal, supporting IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K waterproof ratings. The device features 17 custom-designed key waterproof components and has received a rare 5-star long-lasting waterproof certification. In terms of charging and battery life, it has a built-in 9000 mAh Xiaomi Jinsei battery and 67W wired fast charging, charging from 0 to 100% in just 84 minutes. This battery life is simply incredible. With moderate daily use, it can last up to 2.5 days, completely eliminating the daily battery anxiety. It also supports 22.5W reverse charging, allowing you to power other devices anytime, anywhere. It's worth mentioning that the compact 67W fast charging supports 55W PPS protocol, ensuring strong compatibility. It charges most mobile phones on the market very quickly. The screen is a 6.83-inch 1.5K OLED eye protection screen, supporting a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 3500 nits. It also supports 3840Hz high-frequency PWM and DC dimming. Through Rainland's triple certifications for rhythm-friendly, hardware-level low blue light, and flicker-free eye protection, this product effectively protects your health. In terms of AI, it features the industry's strongest end-to-end AI anti-fraud system, achieving a 99% recognition rate for advanced AI-based script-based scams. Featuring NFC anti-theft and AI-powered fraud SMS detection, along with new senior care functions, dual speakers, and 300% volume adjustment, this phone offers a more considerate user experience for seniors. The design is simple yet sophisticated, available in 4 colors. This particular color, Nebula Purple, evokes the purple nebula that appears when the sunset meets the night sky, romantic yet understated, stylish and versatile. The back of the phone has a smooth, skin-friendly feel. The rear camera uses a deco design with a multi-joint layout and a fully enclosed metal lens, giving it a premium look. The front features a flagship-style large-angle and 4-sided equilateral visual design, with a bezel as narrow as 1.5 mm. The entire phone has a 4-dimensional curved frame with a rounded and natural arc, resulting in a high-end appearance and feel. At only 8.46 mm thick and weighing 226 grams, it doesn't feel bulky in the hand. For imaging, it boasts an 8MP front camera and a dual rear camera setup with a 50MP main lens supporting OIS optical image stabilization. There's also a 2MP depth of field lens that should meet your everyday shooting needs. Let's take a look at the sample photos below. Don't know why. In terms of core hardware, it's equipped with a 4th-generation Snapdragon 6S chip, achieving a benchmark score of nearly 1 million. Popular games like Honor of Kings and PUBG Mobile run smoothly, and other apps are even easier to handle. Overall, the Redmi Note 7 Pro continues the excellent quality and durability of the Little King Kong series, significantly enhancing its drop and water resistance while maintaining sufficient performance. It also features AI anti-fraud and elderly care functions, and its excellent eye protection screen is very eye-friendly. In my opinion, this is the kind of good national phone that everyone needs. Finally, what do you think of this phone? Open the comment section and let's discuss.